What's up, everybody? I'm back with another 2 deals video, and today we have a little bit of heat for you. Tractor Supply is at it again. We got some good deals, so let's go ahead and get into it. First up, let's just go to the Facebook group because I can't seem to find this in any store in particular, but Bradley posted a few deals over at Tractor Supply, so we have this porta cable drill driver kit, okay? $17.99. I wish I could find it because I'd buy it just for the batteries to test porta cable tools out. $17.99 for a drill, a battery, and a charger. Now let's go look at the actual listing here. It's probably a 1.3 amp hour battery, I'm sure. Classic DeWalt Stanley fashion. Yeah, 1.3 amp hour battery with the charger. A little slow one, but I mean, hey man, $17.99. Come on. Also, let's go back through. So I showed you guys this months ago that I mean, all the stores had them for a while, and I just didn't pull the trigger. $169.99 was a great deal because on Amazon these were like $3 something. But I got a little something for you. So right now you can get them for $199 on the website. Anybody can just order them, have them shipped to your home. However, if you go in store, you get lucky. $64.99. Yes, $64.99. Now let's go ahead and go to the listing real quick just to see all of what you're getting. You're getting the chainsaw, the 16-inch brushless chainsaw with a 2.5 amp hour battery. Now, if you can't find it for $64.99 and you still feel like, man, it's still a good deal, I want it, don't buy this. What you want to do is go to Amazon and get that 80-volt version for just $4 and some change. $4 and what? 89 cents more? That's what you want to do. So for extra $4, basically $5, you get the 80-volt version off of Amazon, and there you go with that. Now let's go ahead and double back. We have this little kit, this porta cable kit, and again, this is a nice kick around kit for around the house. You have a drill, a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, and a light. This is a light. I know it looks like a weird massager or something, but that is actually a work light. 2 1.3 amp hour batteries, a bag, and a charger for $99. Really good deal there. Let's move on. You have these 2 angle grinders. These are not cordless. They are corded. $34.99 for the pack, for the 2-pack. Excellent deal there because I need a little angle grinder right now to cut off my exhaust. No, not the catalytic converters. My exhaust. I'm changing the exhaust on the FJ. And, yeah, I need to cut it off. Apparently, I think I could probably wiggle it off, but I don't know. They saying cut it off. And then going into the car, I just want to remind you, we have this very nice Makita angle grinder for $89.99. Marked there from $209. I love Makita angle grinders. They are the best to me. Moving on. We're going on over to Lowe's. Oh, snap. Hold on. If you get any value from my videos, I ask you to like, comment, subscribe. And how can I forget? Let me show you how to get these things in store. I'm tripping. What am I doing? All right, so let's say you want all this stuff. I'm going to add this to cart, right? I don't want you guys running all over town and being disappointed. Here's how you do it and maximize your savings. What you do is you add them to cart. You can buy them online, okay, and then just pick up in store. That's what you want to do. Plus, you have Rakuten. All right, Rakuten's going to give you 2% cash back. It's a free cashback extension if you didn't know, but if you're not new here, you already know and probably already done it. You use the link in the description, you'll get a bonus $30 when you spend $30. So that's how you want to do it. You'll say pick up in store, pick up, well, all the ones that's red. Yeah, well, it's just $99. You had it shipped to home, the porta cable kit. But yeah, pick up. And then you want to check out, all right? But then you want to activate Rakuten, and you'll get your bonus $30 if you're new or your cash back. Let's see what Retail Me Now is doing. There's nothing. That's what they're doing. So there you go. So you get 2% cash back at the very least, and you're not running all around town. They'll just let you know, oh, we had them, and they're here for you to pick up. And they're going to pick it up, and boom, money saved. Now let's go on over to Lowe's. You see Rakuten is gyrating right there, so you have Rakuten over here too. Now, as I started to film this the first time around, this was available, and now it's not. So that kind of sucks. This Ego trimmer for $99 is a pretty good deal if you already have batteries. But they still do have the blower. 615 CFM. That's heavy. That's a lot. That thing is moving some leaves and moving some brush right there. And then you have this hedge trimmer for $99 as well. But really, this blower is where it's at. If you have Ego batteries and chargers already, I believe that's it. I wouldn't do nothing with this DeWalt kit there. And finally, I wanted to show you guys this oscillating blade pack. So it has a carbide blade from Milwaukee, carbide blade, and has a titanium blade and has 3 wood blades. $50? Nope. Show you, I went to the store. I got this bad boy for $15. $15. I don't even know what this was. It's all gone, but $10 here. But this is $15, not $50. I thought it was really a pricing error because I'm like, wait, this is a carbide blade. What? Carbide? $15? Normally, a carbide blade alone is like $15, and that's off of a knockoff. This is Milwaukee. You got your titanium blade and your regular wood blades. And so there you go with that. Then you have some other ones with some little curve. But yeah, this is $15 right here. Really good deal. And that is it for the day. Short video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time. Buy some merch.